Sapo area. Eh di mag-pizza hut na lang tayo kaya. Di ba may free ka?
Eh, yung shake is...
Charan! Here we are in Baliwag. We'll try to taste their menus here. Kung totoong masarap or meron bang pinagkaiba. You don't like?
I want fries.
Ayan, ba't ang dami ng kalat? Uy! Social natin. Let's see there. Walang lempyo. Lempyo.
Giant. Plus 5 for group price food. Ano yung hindi ko get? Plus 10. Gusto ko nung ano, chicken na full. Half na lang kaya.
Papos na lang po. Sige, sino papasok? Sino papasok? Sige na, go. Punta na
Kaya
kayo.
tingnan, siguro mag-order. Ano sa atin? Bistek tsaka half rice? Ay, half. Wala lang. Dala natin guys. Wala lang. Half chicken.
At saka ano? Baliwag Taste Fest. Is it nice? What is the difference of all the chicken here? Like the roasted chicken outside? Yeah?
Wala pang rice. No. I'm really hungry. What's this? There's that one here.
That is rosemary, I think. Thank you.